Does your tumble dryer sound like this? If so, it's a quick, easy fix, and in the next 60 seconds I'm going to show you how to do it. First, unplug the power. Remove the million screws on the back panel. Remove the cover to expose the rear fan. As you can see, it is all beaten up and battered, so it needs to be changed. There's a single bolt holding it in place, so you need to undo that. Remove the fan and put the new one in. There is a straight edge on the inside of the new fan blade that needs to line up with the straight edge on the motor bar. Once you line them up, they should just slot straight in like this. Tighten it back up. Give it a little spin for absolutely no reason at all. Put the cover back on and screw it in. Reconnect the power and push the appliance back in. Turn it on and give it a test. Quick, easy fix to get your tumble dryer sounding healthy again.